Hi there, I'm Seba, founder of Klip Coupons. In this video, I wanted to discuss the power of using timers with your coupons on the product page. Timers are a great way to create a sense of urgency for your coupons and run flash sales directly on your website. To get started, go ahead and head over to the Klip Coupons app in your Shopify admin panel. Whether you're creating a new coupon or editing an existing coupon, you'll want to go ahead and head over to the Coupon Design tab. And here you'll see Countdown Timer. Go ahead and click Countdown Timer, and we'll want to enable the Show Countdown Timer option. As you can see, the countdown timer will start here. Now, we have a couple of different settings that we can set here. First is the length of the timer or the time amount. And we can set either hours, minutes, seconds. So if we wanted to do, let's say, a 2-hour and 15-minute sale, or we can just do a 15-minute sale if we wanted to do that. 15 minutes and 30 seconds. Go ahead and set that. We have a few options for when the countdown actually starts. So it can start when the user visits the product page, which is the default, or the countdown timer can start when they actually clip the coupon and click on the coupon to redeem it. We can also decide what happens to the timer if you have a timer set across a collection page, for example. If they visit the first product, the timer will only start on that specific product. We also have the option to start the timer on all products that a coupon is selected for. For example, if you have the coupon set for a collection or across certain tags, and a user visits a particular product, you would want the timer to start for all products in that coupon. Then you can select this option here. However, if you only want the timer to start on the coupon that the user is visiting, you can select this option to only show the timer on the product the user first visits. We also have some options for customization. We can show the timer either below or above the coupon. We can edit the text in the timer as well. So we can say here, don't miss out, sale ends. And we can adjust the font size, change the font color as well for both the text here. If we wanted to change that to, let's say, black. And we can change the font color for the timer as well. We have that set to red, but we can change that if we want to a different color. Go ahead and click Save. And now if we visit our product, we can see that we have our timer set. And we just visited a few minutes ago. And as we can see, we refreshed the product and the timer is still going. And that's how you set the timer on Klip Coupons.